Hey there, CG Math students, and welcome to Homework 5.1, Solutions to Equations. This is a preview homework due tomorrow. So directions, let's read them together. It says match each equation on the left to the correct solution on the right. The correct solution will make both sides of the equation equal to each other. Write the letter of the correct solution in the space provided. So there are more answer choices on the back. So if you plug in, you need to erase and try again. So an example, if I had 5x plus 4 equals 14 and I plugged in 2, I would see that, hey, this does equals 14 because 5 times 2 is 10. 10 plus 4 is 14. And I get 14 equals 14. So then I would know I'm done, right? Let's say I did this and I plugged in 2 to 5x plus 14 equals 11, right? Well, 10 plus 4 does not equal, 11. This should say 11, my fault. 11 because 14 does not equal 11, right? So let's try one. So we have 5x plus 8 equals 38. Your possible things to plug in are 10, 28, 15, 8, 0, 6, 13, 11, 3, and 40. So think about it. 5 times some number plus 8 equals 38. Well, if I take away 8, that means I have 30 left over, so like 5 times 6, right? So let's try 6. So 6 is on the back. It's right there. It's letter F. So I'm plugging in for letter F, which is 6. So 5 parentheses 6 plus 8 equals 38. 5 times 6 is 30 plus 8 equals 38. 30 plus 8 is 38 equals 38. Boom, I'm done. I put F on the line. I go to the back side. I cross off F. It's not going to be a riddle. It's not going to spell anything out or anything like that, but I know I'm done. Let's try a different one. Let's try a problem like number 5. 81 equals 9x minus 18. So 9 times some number minus 18 equals 81. I don't know. Let's just try one. Let's plug in 8, right? So 81 equals 9 times 8 minus 18. 81 equals 9 times 8 is 72 minus 18. 81 equals 72 minus 18 is 54. 81 does not equal 54. And so you don't even need to erase. In fact, let's just leave that one there. I know that's not my answer because 81 doesn't equal 54. So it can't be 8. In fact, it's got to be a number that's higher than 8. So maybe 15, maybe 28, maybe 10. Let's think about it. If I do my mental math, 9 times 10, that's 90 minus 18. That's going to be too little. What if I did... go to the back side, see what we got. We got 13, we got 11, 3 or 40. Let's try 13, right? So 81 equals 9 times 13 minus 18. 81 equals 9 times 13, 117. I'm just using my reference sheet. And then 81 is equal to 117 minus 18. Maybe I do it off to the side here on the bottom. That's, 18, not 81, my fault. Minus 18, gotta borrow here, so that's 9, 10 minus 1, 9, 99. So does 81 equal 9? No, so I gotta try again. So it's gotta be bigger than 8, but smaller than 13, right? So it's gotta be something like 11, let's try 11. So 81 equals 9 times 11 minus 18. 81 equals 99 minus 18. 81 equals, what's 99 minus 18? It's 81. Boom, got it. Finally done, right? So I had to try 3 different times until I got my answer of H, which was 11, for that answer, right? So you will plug in and maybe not get the right answer. You have to show perseverance and go on to the next problem. I'll do one last one. I'll do a problem like number 9. So this is 100 plus some number divided by 5 equals 108. So let's think about that. This is 100 and this is 108, so that means we want this here to be 8, right? So some number divided by 5 is 8. Some number divided by 5 is 8. Let's plug in 40. Let's do 100 plus 40 over 5 equals 108. 100 plus what's 40 divided by 5? That's 8 equals 108. And look at that. The very first time I did it, I got it correct, right? You might get ones where you do it and it is not correct the first time. You have to show perseverance and keep trying to plug in different answers, okay? All right, that's it. Call me if you have questions, and if you haven't already, make sure you finish your notes. They should be in your inbox. I should have emailed them to you.